Hey guys, my name is Isaac and today I'm just going to be showing you my saltwater aquarium. Now if you remember my last video, I just showed you guys like a green soup with these fish in there. And since then I've set up a new aquarium for them. It's smaller than the last one, it's only 60 liters or around 15 gallons. But it's looking pretty good by now, so it's been up for a while. It's really the next part of my experiment, so I don't have any filtration on this tank. I just have the flow pump in the back there and no kind of sponge, filter, anything. It's just really just a flow pump, some live rock, a deep substrate and these guys. So I really like that. I'm really happy with the experiment so far. You can see the sand's really deep. That helps keep the water clean. I have this macroalgae growing in the back there that I trim about every month. I can trim quite a bit of it. It grows really fast and that gives me a nutrient export. And yeah, I do like 10% water change once a month if even. And yeah, that's it. It's really easy to take care of. It looks nice. The water stays really clear. That's what's actually surprised me. I thought it would be necessary to do some kind of mechanical filtration of the water to keep it clear. But even if I disturb the substrate a little bit or do water changes and clean some stuff up, it stays really nice and clear. So that's cool. Yeah, it's an awesome tank. I can sit here for hours and just watch these guys. Plan is to try to add an anemone in here, maybe. But for that I want to let the tank age a little bit first before I do it. So for now, that's it. I just have these guys, a snail and a hermit crab in here. You can see they kind of get most of the algae, but not completely all of it, and that's perfect because I like to rather have a little bit of extra algae in there than to have to feed these guys, because that, yeah, I forget to do it when if I have to feed them, if I'm just completely honest, and then they end up dying. So I keep my cleanup crew on the smaller size and rather have a little bit of algae going in the tank. That's it. That's my new tank. I'll update you guys once anything happens here. But until then, thanks for watching and I'll see you around.